Okay, folks. Seeing that here in Southeast Tennessee, we're at the 85% totality. People are going crazy wanting to know what bees do during totality. Well, can't really see it because it's a little darker. Too bad that sky is not right where the, or that sky is not right where the supposed moon and sun, but they're still working sugar water. Let's walk down here and check out the bee yard. Now, stopped to look and there's a little blue patch coming through, but it's not going to go in front of the sun. Let's go down here and see what the hives are doing. Still working the sugar water, still going in and out. Well, it does seem like there's a little less activity going on. Because as you can see, I was working the bees up until about 30 minutes ago when I decided to sit down and take a break and drink some water. So, some of them work, some of them don't. This one of the busiest hives in the yard, not really working. Everybody hanging out on the front entrance, hanging out on the front entrance. There's a few working. These girls are still working like crazy. Yeah, I might want to move. I'm in their flight path and just got hit in the back of the head. Well, these girls ain't doing nothing either. So the consensus is some of them work, some of them don't. Those girls are not doing much. None of those are doing much. Boy, it sure would be nice if that blue patch went across the sun. We might get to see a little bit here in a minute. But anyway, that's my Eclipse video. Some work and some don't. I would probably theorize it depends on the breed of bee. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. You see my finger? It eclipsed the camera.